Today we are at the Hispanic Fraternity Day, and you can tell by the amount of cars and buses and people that are here that they're having a great time. This is one of the purposes of our camp. Camp Berkshire is for you, the people. And yes, you can plan all the various programs up here. But we understand as leaders that we need to get this camp in the best possible way so that you can use it. We are bent on making this camp what it ought to be. So our president, Dr. Henry Barris, our treasurer, Isaiah Javier, and myself have been working on these plans, and we will share it with you. The next time you visit Camp Berkshire, you will see some of the changes that we have implemented. For example, the bad roads that you're accustomed to driving over, it has all been paved. You will appreciate the beauty of that. We have been having some serious leaks in the auditorium. So what we have done, we have put on a brand new roof, and that will stop the leaking. But that's not all. We plan to do a complete renovation of the auditorium, wherein we will put in AC, heating, then we go to the bathrooms, the ladies' bathroom, the men's bathroom. We're going to bring about mega renovation in those two areas. We want your campsite to be a delight, so when you come, you enjoy your stay. My brothers and sisters, friends, loved ones of the Greater New York Conference, I want to thank you for your use of Camp Berkshire over the years. I know you want a good campsite, and we are endeavored to give you that. We want you to help us pray that all the visions that we have will come through. Let us keep praying that as we come week after week and year after year, we will help to fulfill the mission of the gospel, preaching the everlasting gospel, not just to our people, but to the world. Thank you so much for all that you have done. Thank you for your generous and sacrificial giving. May the Lord bless you abundantly, and may we remain faithful until He comes.